YouTube channel today. We're having dinner outside. So we're waiting for our order. So let's have a look what's gonna happen already. Huh? Where's the camera?
Everywhere.
The old man is tired. Having dinner, guys. So what's the name of this one, Bob?
I've been foxy for it.
Good. What's the name of this?
It's a bazaar. It's to tell you when your food's ready.
Yeah, bazaar. When the food is ready, we have our order. Then it's you're gonna tell us when our food is ready for serving, okay?
Really?
And and this is the first time because it's Australian food, but I ordered rice.
And he did it for you.
Yeah, because the chef is your friend.
Yes.
Thank you, Chef Justin.
No, 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 no.
I hope you guys very happy, guys, because I have rice. Rice is life.
Because now she's eating mine. She's a hungry little hippo, aren't you, honey? Is that yummy, darling? Huh? 2 serves for the price of 1. Steak and rice in the first one. Gone. Now, I ate half of mine and now she's eating the rest.
Oi.
She's having chicken schnitzel.
But it's not rice.
No rice, just potato.
Yawa, oi.
Yummy, yummy.
You're the only one allowed to do.
I'm doing this.
Honey, you're allowed to do things,
I
huh?
don't know how you put that all down
Oh,
there. It's so little.
so you said the blind
Where
man.
do you put it all?
Look at you. Oh, yum. What am I going to have for dessert? Huh? The second
Put it
main.
all in. Oh,
First course, second course.
done a good job.
I'm not eating much.
Don't look at me like
Chicken's
that.
nice, eh?
Cranky ass. Good job, cranky ass.
1 hour later.
So when there accident or road work? Police. Road work. I thought that it's a policeman. I don't know.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Smoking the sign. Oh, big runabout. Oh, rough driver. Oh my god. Driving like that. Drive like your wife is pretty. Drive like... Mate. Drive like your wife is beautiful, okay?
My wife is beautiful.
You need to drive beautifully too. That's Bunnings, guys. A big shop. We're big shop. Warehouse, like there's only one right. One lights on. See that? Hey? Shadow. You see that? So dark. It's good to be back home. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care. God bless. Foxy, come back. Come here. Come on. Oi.
Farmer Wants a Wife, brought to you by
Going to the toilet?
There's no better match for you when it comes to your health.
What are you in there for?
Because life happens.
Does he? Foxy, why you keep looking for the? Why you keep looking for the charger of the helicopter? Right? It's unusual for you. You used to have it before.
I'm not looking for any new clients to take this one. If you'll excuse me.
The person you are calling is not available.
See?
Please leave a short message and it will be sent as an audio message.
Because you are a scammer. No? It's a scam.